Good day, sir. I'm Janwin Ramirez from BSIS 1A. This is my final project for Computer Programmer 1. Part 1. Description of the project. This project focuses on creating an enhanced version of the classic game, Rock, Paper, Scissors. The game will be played against a computer opponent, offering user a fun and engaging experience. Unlike a simple rock paper scissors game, this project incorporates several advanced features to increase replayability and challenge. These features include tracking win streak for both the player and the computer, displaying comprehensive game statistics, win rates, and offering multiple difficulty levels, easy, medium, hard, very hard, to cater to different skills, levels, and preference. The game will be also provide feedback to the player, highlighting win streak or periods of frequent losses to enhance the user experience. The target user are individuals who enjoy casual game and want a fun, competitive experience with varying levels of difficulty. The project aims to provide more than just a simple game. It aims to create an engaging and interactive experience. Itong project ay tungkol sa paggawa ng mas pina-enhance na version ng classic game. Ito ay laban sa computer para mas maging fun ang experience. Ang features nito ay tulad ng pag-track ng win streak, stat, at iba pang difficulty. Part 2. Safety information. Safety use ng sensitive information ng external interaction. And security threats and transparency. Ang project na ito ay isang simpleng laro lang para sa entertainment. Kaya walang direct na safety requirements. Part 3. Flowchart diagram of the project. Number 1. Start. Number 2. Set up game variables. Ito pa yung paghahanda ng mga importanteng impormasyon na gagamitin sa laro. Tulad ng mga choices, player score, computer score, pagtabla. Number 3. Input difficulty and number of rounds. Ito pa yung pagpili ng easy, medium, hard, o mas mahirap talon ng computer. Number 4. Input player's choice. Pagpili ng manlalaro kung ano ang kanyang pipiliin sa laro. Tulad ng rock, paper, scissors. Number 5. Get computer choice. Number 6. Choice. Number 7. Determine winner. Number 8. Show feedback. Pagpapakita ng resulta ng round. Number 9. More rounds. Number 10. Statistic. Number 11. Game over. Part 4. PSEUDO code of the program. Dito po ay sa simula ng game, isaset lahat ng score, streaks, at stats sa 0. Hihingi ito ng input mula sa user kung anong difficulty level, easy, medium, hard, very hard, at ilang rounds ang gusto. Habang tumatakbo ang game, ipapakita nito ang current round. Tas hihingi ng player choice kung rock, paper, scissors o quit, at pipili ang computer ng move. Depende sa pinili ng player, papakita ang choices tapos tatawagin ang determine winner para malaman kung sino nanalo. Kung may susunod na panalo o talo, lalabas ang feedback gamit ang show feedback. Pag natapos ang laro o nag-quit ang player, lalabas ang final stat gamit ang show stats. Part 5. Source codes of the program. Ang source codes ay nakasulat sa Python at gumagana bilang intense rock, paper, scissors game. Yung variables po ay nagsasave ng scores, streaks, at draws ng player at computer. Ito po yung counter move. Gumagawa ng counter na move laban sa player. Saka get computer choice. Pumili ng move ang computer based sa difficulty level. Determine winner. Tinitingnan ko sino ang panalo at in-update ang score at streaks. Show feedback. Nagbibigay ng feedback kung may winning or losing streak. Show stats. Pinapakita ang final statistic ng laro. Panalo, talo, tabla, win rate, streaks. Part 6. Screenshots of the output. Figure 1. The screen displays "Welcome to Rock, Paper, Scissors" and asks the player to choose a difficulty level. Next, the player will enter a difficulty, easy, medium, etc. to start the game. Dito daw po ay inapakita ang simula ng rock, paper, scissors game na may prompt na pumili ng easy, medium, hard, very hard. Figure 2. The difficulty is set to easy and the game asks for the number of rounds or infinite. The player will type in the number of rounds or infinite. Dito po ay pinili ng player ang easy na difficulty at ngayon ay hinihingi ng game kung ilang rounds ang gusto ng player o pwedeng i-type ang infinite para tuloy-tuloy ang laro. Figure number 3. It shows round 1 and prompts the player to choose rock, paper, or scissors. The player will select rock, paper, or scissors to play the first round. Dito po ay magsimula na ang round 1. Tas napaplayer po yung player kung rock, paper, or scissors o kaya mag-exit. Figure number 4. It shows the result of round 1. Player choose paper. Computer choose scissors. So, the computer wins. And then prompts for round 2. The player will again choose rock, paper, or scissors for round 2 and other rounds. Napakita po dito ang resulta ng round 1. Pinili ng player ang papel, tas pinili naman po ng computer ang gunting. Kaya panalo ang computer. Nagsimula na rin ang round 2 at inapapili ulit ang player dito ng move hanggang sa paulit-ulit na lang po sa pagpili ng rock, paper, or scissors hanggang saan ang gusto mong round. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat.